In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion text property. The text property in Notion is one of the most basic, but also one of the most flexible column types you can use in a database. It's perfect for things like short descriptions, notes, labels, or any kind of free-form text that doesn't need to be a number, a date, or a relation. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add it to your database and start typing in it, step by step. First, open the Notion page that contains the database you want to work with. This could be a table for tasks, projects, recipes, or anything else you're organizing. Make sure you're actually inside the database view, not just looking at a single page. You should see the familiar table layout with columns at the top and rows underneath. Now, move your mouse to the top of the table, all the way to the right of your existing columns. You'll see a small plus button appear in the header row. Click that plus button. This is how you add a brand new property or column to your database. When you click it, Notion will open a property type menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Text and click on it. This tells Notion that the new column you're creating should store plain text instead of dates, numbers, checkboxes, or anything else. After you select text, Notion will add the new text property as a column in your table. The header area of that new column will be highlighted so you can rename it. Click on that highlighted header and type in a clear, descriptive name for your column. For example, you might call it Notes, Description, or Summary, depending on how you plan to use it. Once the column is named, click into any empty cell in that text column. That cell will be highlighted, and you can start typing your content directly into it. This is where you use the text property to store your information. As you type, remember that text properties in Notion support rich formatting. You can use basic shortcuts like Command or Control plus B for bold or Command or Control plus I for italics. If you need a new line inside the same cell, press Shift plus Enter to add a line break without moving to the next row. That's all there is to it. You've opened your database, added a new text property, named it, and started typing in it. From here, you can filter or sort based on this column just like any other property in Notion.